start the harvesting in early September. We pick all the grapes by hand, and we usually start picking the red grapes for rosé wine, then the white grapes, and at the end, the red grapes. The first step is to separate the berries from the stems through the destemming machine. This process is the same for all kinds of wine we are going to make. After that, the grapes for rosé and our mezzavia white wine are pressed and the skins are separated. To make the two amphora wines and the red wines, we keep the skins with the juice for a longer time. Sometimes we add some liquid nitrogen to keep the temperature low during this process. After that, the juice and the skins will start the spontaneous fermentation in terracotta wine jars or in concrete tanks. Any yeasts will be addicted. The indigenous ones will let the fermentation start. During the first month of fermentation, when the skins are still in the tanks with the wine, Gabriele usually manually mixes the two phases to improve the material exchanging between wine and skins.